back to my channel. This is Apurva. I am your dietitian. For my last week's recipes video, I've received amazing response and thank you all for it. And with the same enthusiasm, I've come up with an amazing recipe this week too with the king of fruits and the seasonal fruit, that is mango. That is mango salsa. Just believe me, it is loaded with many nutrients. For people with diabetes, please do consult a dietitian or a doctor before consuming. So while late, let's get into the video, understand more about it. Firstly, let's talk about ingredients required to prepare this recipe. We need 1 unit of mango, 1 onion which is finely chopped, 1 capsicum which is finely chopped, 1 or 2 green chili depending upon your spice levels, and also the pepper powder depending upon your spice. And add the required amount of salt and half a lemon squeeze. If you want, you can even add tomatoes and avocados to it, or you can even drizzle some olive oil too. Now let's understand the method. You have to just mix all these ingredients and here's the amazing mango salsa recipe ready. Isn't it interesting? Now let's understand the benefits. Coming to mango, it is high in antioxidants. It is rich in vitamin C and aids the iron absorption. It boosts the immunity as it's rich in folate, B vitamins and vitamins like A, C, K and E. It's a good source of vitamin A, hence it's good for eye health. It lowers the risk of cancer too. Coming to capsicum, it contains a phytonutrient that is lycopene and it's good for heart. It improves the metabolism and it's good for weight loss. It improves immunity, which is really required nowadays, and it's good to prevent anemia. Coming to onion, it is packed with nutrients. It helps to control blood sugar, boosts the bone density and protects us from harmful bacteria. So, as I told you, it's packed with nutrients. Try it and comment about your experience in the comment section below. And if you have liked it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will come up with the amazing recipe in my next week's video. Till then, don't forget to stay safe, stay at home, stay healthy always, keep smiling and bye-bye.